Hi, my name is Nadja. I'm currently a PhD candidate at Columbia University studying genetics and development. When I first got my interview invite for BCG, I was ecstatic, but I knew I needed to ramp up my case prep both quickly and also effectively. I wanted to ensure that I have a great time during all of my case preparation, but also I really tailored my approach to better develop frameworks and develop my thinking in a way that is more specific to how consultants are able to problem solve different types of cases, especially for someone who does not necessarily come from a business background, coming from a biomedical PhD perspective. This was daunting initially, but I really, truly loved CaseBasix's modular and organized approach. They really stood out to me in the types of videos that they were able to give in terms of giving drills for each part of a mock case. I loved watching mock cases done with other students, as well as drills for each part of a case interview. They have drills for developing a problem statement, building a framework, developing your business acumen, restating or reiterating a prompt and asking the proper clarifying questions. And it truly clicked for me the more videos that I watched. I especially also really loved that they included videos comparing what a round one interview is like compared to a round two interview, because I was then able to tailor my approach specifically for each round and depending on the people I was talking to and the case that was at hand. Above all, what I really liked about CaseBasix and the prep material that they offered for this segment is that they really focused on you being a top 1% candidate as opposed to just passing and doing okay. So I really feel like I truly developed my casing experience and skill set by using the CaseBasix resources. I felt truly confident in whatever kind of case was thrown at me in whatever topic. And I felt so much more calm and relaxed when my actual interviews came up because of this practice.